So there's a massive bug that lets you unlock the Stranger Things skins guaranteed, because this exploit pretty much lets you know what you're going to get. But unfortunately, this hint only comes up in very specific hours, and that led to a lot of people claiming, if the skins only appear in those lucky hours, then what do these drop rates even mean? Is this a scam? Well, no, because let me explain. So these lucky hours doesn't exist. The way it works is, when you open Brawl Stars, the game already decides what you're going to get. So when you open the card pack, you will only get the thing that the game already decided. This RNG refreshes every hour when you're online, but the moment you close the game, the RNG completely stops until you open the game. So yeah, everyone gets the same chance, and it's up to you if you open the cards or not. This was done to reduce the server overload, but the problem is, this bug just lets you see the rewards early. So everyone is like waiting for the right RNG refresh so they don't waste their shawarma, and that's a big nightmare for bros.